Hi guys, this is the FT Hammerhead drop-in trigger, and we're going to be continuing our series on common installation problems and how to resolve them. So a common installation problem is that you might notice that after installation there's a reset misfire issue. And we're going to simulate that and show you how you can resolve that quickly using the set screws. So what you're going to want to make sure is that the set screws are completely withdrawn when installing the drop-in trigger. And the interesting thing to note is when you put it into the lower, and this is our mock lower from Strike Industries, and attach the pins, the trigger actually doesn't sit flat on the lower compartment by design. And this is because there's lots of commercial specifications out there, so everyone cuts their lowers just a little bit differently. So what's going to happen is that the trigger is actually depending on the staying level due to the pins. And so we're going to simulate what a reset and how you can simulate and test for a reset misfire issue. So we're going to pull the trigger, hold the trigger down, engage the hammer, and release. That shouldn't happen. That should catch. So how to resolve this is pretty straightforward. We take the included Allen wrench, we insert it into the side set screw, and then we're going to want to turn clockwise to tighten. And we're going to want to tighten this set screw until we can't tighten anymore. So what this is doing is the set screw is now coming out just a little bit and making up for that empty distance between the trigger and the bottom of the lower. And it's pressing down against the bottom of the lower, and in combination with the pin is keeping the trigger secure. So as we see, there's no rattle noise. And if the trigger is secure, then the parts can function well. And we're going to want to do this for the other side. So we're going to insert our Allen wrench, move over the spring just a little bit, and then we're going to adjust by turning clockwise until we can't turn any longer. Okay, so now it's tight. I'm going to take out the Allen wrench. I'm going to simulate a reset misfire test again. I'm going to fire, hold down the trigger, engage the hammer, release, and it catches. So thanks for watching, everyone. This is how you can resolve your reset misfire issues when installing the FT Hammerhead drop-in trigger adjustable, and hope this video helps you. And please remember, when you're installing the drop-in trigger, that the set screws have to be fully withdrawn before installation. Drop it into your lower, insert the pins, and then make sure then you can adjust the lateral side set screws to make sure that the trigger is secure. So please don't adjust the set screw outside of the lower compartment, because it will put the trigger, it'll start to push the trigger backwards a little bit, and this will cause a host of other issues that some other videos address. So hope this helps you guys, and thanks for watching.